Hello, made it to the airport.
We're here.
Let's go. Okay, so we're flying on Zipair, which is like a budget airline, and they require us to check in at the counter. Let me see where it is. I think it's over here. Because they make us weigh our bags.
Hello, thank you for waiting.
Thank you. So I got some little orange juice packets, or I mean apple juice packets. My vegan ramen. Some ice cream and some water. We made it to Japan. Just let people out first. Okay, so this is the room. It's a little closet of a room. Very basic. There's mini fridge down there and the restroom. Very small, basic, but clean. Bidet. I think this room is slightly smaller than the Appa hotels. First meal in Japan, we got ramen from Ippudo. They provide you with barley tea, and it's only $8. So it's 8 a.m. at the fish market. It's a lot of fresh produce, and it's kind of a tourist trap, but a lot of food. It's not as busy yet, but it will be.
Here at the market, we're gonna see lots of dry fish. So this is a dry fish. Oh, I know that's.
Look how pretty these fruits are.
These grapes are literally insane. Oh my god, these peaches are Oh, you didn't bring your tripod.
I forgot my tripod.
Okay. First mochi ever. This is the red bean paste.
So just eat half of it and I'll eat the other half.
Okay. Ready? Oh, that's gone. That texture is so interesting. First time having red bean paste too.
I love mochi.
Oh my god. Is this a strawberry mochi or is this red bean paste
Red
mochi
bean
too?
paste.
That's a very interesting taste. I love the texture. I'm obsessed with this texture. But I do like it with the strawberry better. Good. I will be having more of these. Oh,
You need a cross. Okay, so I'm at IKEA And I got a hot dog, some veggie nuggets, hash brown. I don't think it's focusing, but this is ice cream, and it's all about $5. Made it to Tokyo Disney. We're going to Disney Sea. Actually, no, Disneyland today. Doing Disney Sea tomorrow. So we're here 2 hours before park opening, and the line is actually really short. But that's probably because everyone's at Disney Sea right now. People are running probably to Beauty and the Beast. So this is the mural of the Cinderella story. Splash Mountain is still Splash Mountain here. So this is the Winnie the Pooh gift shop. Everything Winnie the Pooh. There's all keychains. The sleep one. It's so cute. How much is it? $10. So all the popcorn buckets. Look at that one. That one's pretty too. Small ones. Just got a plant-based bulgogi bowl. It is $12.20 or $12.20. Oh, is that the curry popcorn?
Yep, that's what it smells
Oh
like.
my god, it smells so good. Oh, and it has...
They have it. But I don't know if the matcha one has it too.
Curry popcorn?
Yeah.
Curry popcorn.
This is the Stitch.
This is the Stitch.
The Stitch tiki room.
Is it basically the same?
I don't know. Do you want to go?
スティッチそうだそうなのねえスティッチでパラダイス動きが翼を蒸気機関車だからなんです。列車は全部で4台あってそれぞれアメリカの有名な川の名前が付けられているんですよ。開拓者の夢が灰になってしまいました。インディアンたちは全員が一丸となって生きるために協力し合っています。左の方に滝が流れている山が見えますか？あれが有名なスプラッシュマウンテンです。
Okay, so we just had to redo Beauty and the Beast because there was a stupidly crying loud baby that I want to strangle.
4-year-old, no tears.
No tears, just yelling for no reason.
That was our third time. Magical. Bye, Castle.
Time to go shopping.
Time to go shopping. Main Street. So excited. And it's so pretty. The lights are on. I don't think they were on earlier.